Good day, Jeff Kitzmiller here with your planning briefing, recorded Thursday, February 13th. Snow returns tonight. We have some low to moderate impacts that we're expecting, and those last through Friday night. Periods of snow, again, though, last through early next week. And then we're looking at this 30% chance of an Arctic front by Tuesday of early next week. For our threat matrix here, we have the moderate impacts for snow showing up, lesser impacts on Saturday because it's more of snow lingering into Saturday. Another round shows up on Sunday with a couple of periods of moderate impacts. And then we have this snow in, blowing snow, and potential for a temperature drop on Monday. That would be more so later in the day if that were to happen, but only about a 30% chance there. So the reason that we went with moderate is even though it's a lower confidence of occurrence, it could have a much higher impact. So it increases the chance or the impact level on that one. Looking at the current satellite image here, this infrared satellite is showing cloud cover increasing across especially Idaho, and it's working its way through Montana. Moisture will increase with that, and there's a low pressure center off the coast that is going to pass through and south of north central Idaho and western Montana, providing snow. As for the snow chances, getting a better look here with the increased chances tonight, and then especially as we get through midday and evening on Friday. That's really the main period that's showing up. Decrease down to minimal, if any, snow midday Saturday, and then this increase again showing up on Sunday that lingers through Monday and into Tuesday. But even seeing the greens with higher chances showing up both on Wednesday and Thursday. So more of an extended period of snowy conditions here. As for snow amounts, bit of a challenge on these because not only is there a difference in the amount of moisture we're going to receive, the actual snow ratio is going to be varied and at times maybe a bit higher than what the models are showing. But here's just a look of, generally the light snow, maybe a couple of periods of moderate that show up, could overall result in a fair amount of snow in a few places, but we're holding with that moderate impact. As for snow levels, we see them gradually increasing as we start to get this warmer air out of this really cold air mass that we're in. A little bit more mild air on Friday, back down to low snow levels on Saturday, keeping those fairly low until about early next week, where we see maybe a little bit of an increase, but still generally pointing towards snow. A couple of places could have some mixed precipitation, but as overall looking like a snowy snow type period. As for our temperature outlooks for our 6 to 10 and 8 to 14, for the 6 to 10, we're leaning toward maintaining that below average temperature profile, but then trending more, or at least leaning toward above average temperatures as we get past around February 20th. As for precipitation, bit of a bullseye here with increased probabilities for above average precipitation maintaining through the 22nd and then trending more to below average somewhere in that 8 to 14 day period. We'll look a lot closer as we get through the weekend on that early next week potential for an Arctic, more impactful front. Otherwise, keep your eye out for updates on winter weather advisories that have been issued to give you some more detail on snow. And we'll keep as many updates as we can get out there to you. Thanks.